Hello everyone, this is Teacher L. For today's video, we're going to continue our discussion about laws of exponents. We are now in our second law, the quotient rule. So we have x raised to the power of a all over x raised to the power of b. We have x as our variables, then we have a and b as our exponent. So if we have this problem, first we copy the variable x, then we subtract the exponent. We have a minus b. For our example, we have x cubed divided by x. If ever we encounter na x lang yung problem, so we recall na meron siyang imaginary exponent na 1. So we have x squared 3 minus 1, so that is 2. So we have our answer x squared. Next, we have 4b raised to the power of 5 all over 2b squared. Una, divide natin yung mga whole number. 4 divide 2, that is 2. Then, copy lang natin ang variable na b and subtract natin yung exponent ni b. So, we have 5 minus 2, that is 3. So, we have 2b cubed. Next, we have 6x raised to the power of 4, y raised to the power of 3, and divided by 2x squared y. So, first, divide natin yung whole number. We have 6 and 2. So, 6 divide 2, that is 3. Then, copy natin si variable x. Tapos, subtract natin ang exponent ni x. We have 4 minus 2. So, that is 2. Then, copy natin si variable y. Tapos, subtract natin ang exponent ni y. So, we have 3 minus 1. So, we have imaginary exponent ni y na 1. So, we have 3 minus 1. So, that is 2. So, we have 3x squared, y squared. Next, we have 8a raised to the power of 5, b raised to the power of 8, all over 2a squared, b raised to the power of 3. So, first, divide natin ang mga whole numbers. We have 8 divide 2, that is 4. Then, copy natin si variable a. Then, subtract natin ang exponent ni a. We have 5 minus 2, so that is 3. Then, copy natin si variable b. Tapos, subtract natin ang exponent ni b. We have 8 minus 3, so that is 5. So, we have 4a raised to the power of 3, b raised to the power of 5. For our last example, we have 4x raised to the power of 8 multiplied by 2y raised to the power of 5 all over 4x squared times y raised to the power of 3. So, pwede nating i-cancel out si 4 or pwede nating i-multiply 4 times 2, that is 8, divide 4, that is equal to 2. Or pwede natin i-cancel out si 4, so ang matira na lang is si 2. Then, copy natin si variable x. Then, subtract natin ang exponent ni x. We have 8 minus 2, that is 6. Then, copy natin si variable y. Then, subtract lang natin yung exponent ni y. We have 5 minus 3, so that is 2. So, we have 2x raised to the power of 6, y squared.